精彩, 精彩. Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. There is a famous image of Earth called the blue marble. Because of the waters and the atmosphere, the color blue seems like it's surrounding the whole planet. But physical things that are actually blue on Earth are very rare. Many times, like the sky, it is simply the way that the sunlight is absorbed and reflected into our eyes that make it seem blue. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts blue-green rust appearing on red metal like copper. This is how the character looks today. The character, literally interpreted, shows a combination of being born, which is on top, and the color red, which is on the bottom. The character for red describes a well that's dug within a structure to keep it from caving in. And this is where red minerals, such as copper, were extracted. This character means green or blue. It is used in this word, 青年, which means youth. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, we will add a variation of the character for water. This character is describing blue water. When we think of clean water, we think of the color blue. This is because red light is absorbed when sunlight hits the water, and the clearer the water, the bluer it is. This character means clear. It is used in this word, 清楚, which means clear or obvious. Here's the next character. Now, the character on the left depicts rice. If you've cooked rice before, you will know that you have to refine it by rinsing the rice with water a couple times until the water is clear. And as mentioned before, blue water is clear water. So, blue rice means it's clean to eat. This character means refined. It is used in these words, 精彩, which means wonderful, and 精神, which means spirit or mind. Let's look at another character. Now the character on the left means word. Blue water means clean water, so blue words means clean speech. You need to be polite when making a request. This character means ask. It is used in this word, 请假, which means ask for leave. Let's see the last character. Now the character on the left means sun. If the sun is shining in a blue sky, it means the weather is clear. This character means clear weather. It is used in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means, looks like a fine day today. These are the characters we looked at today. All right. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoy learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.